Hello. So let me show what we have implemented in CloudWatch for our tasks that run in a Fargate cluster and read data from different exchanges like Coinbase, Bybit, Binance. So currently we have 10 tasks that are subscribed to different symbols and get data from there, get public data and store it all to S3 bucket. So let me show how we have a log configuration set up in task definitions for those tasks. So it's like, let's pick this one. They are all the same, but let me demo with this one. Okay, and here we have a configuration for the log. Where it goes, it's the group called ECS, Bybit, order book 200, and whatever. And let's find this here. Yeah, this is the first one. So this log stream has been opened, well, today. So this contains the most recent logs. And here we go. So we have logs for the feed that we get every minute, and for instance here we got 281 lines for the period of almost 60,000 milliseconds, that is 60 seconds, and it appears to be lower than we would expect. It would be, well, because we expect a line per every 100 milliseconds. We would expect like 600 lines, but only 281 have been received. And this condition, that whenever we receive lower number of lines, less number of lines that we would expect, produces this error message as well. So we can see other feeds like that. Yeah, it's almost very close to what we expect, but still is not 600. So still the error is produced here. And and of course this is not a good way to understand what's going on within our server, within our task. So we have dashboards implemented that show the same data in a more in a visualized way. So here this line shows the exact number of lines that we read at particular time. For instance, this is was read at 14:07 UTC, and we were expecting 600 lines and got 550. Similar situation here and here. Here we have drops, and here we get the disconnects that we disconnects from the server. Those also are logged here. We can find them. So here we go. So this one shows the disconnect event from the server. For some reason, Bybit initiates those disconnects, but we reconnect pretty quickly. So we try not to lose much data, but these disconnects are forced, and we can't do anything about that, at least at this point. And this shows the utilization of RAM and CPU. So this is memory utilization, which is about 9%, and this is a constant value, and this is CPU utilization, which jumps between almost 1% to 10%. Okay, and we have similar dashboards for all the tasks that we are running. This is another one. This is Bybit Trade, Coinbase. For Coinbase, we do not have disconnects at all. And by the way, for Bybit USDT, we do not get disconnects at all. So it's pretty much smooth line here and here as well. And the next point is the alarms that we have configured. So for example, this one, currently we have 3, and for instance this order book 200 is in alarm state at the moment, and the reason, so you can see it dropped down pretty much, and this produced an alarm here and put that in alarm state. And because we expect it to be close to 600 feeds per minute, so whenever we get less than 500, we initiate an alarm. And this alarm actually, it sends emails to Richard. Well, Richard is not only Richard, is myself as well. So, and let me show those emails. I must have them here. Yeah. So these are all the notifications that we get from the CloudWatch. For instance, the last one was at 8:17, but this is GMT plus 4, and this is GMT 0. So this is 2017 minus 4, which makes 1617. And in history, yeah, this is exactly the alarm that, and this is exactly the alarm that I get. Let's see, here and here, and this is again, this is GMT plus 0 UTS time, and this is GMT plus 4. Hotels. Yeah, and for visualization in CloudWatch, for things that we see in the dashboards, we utilize these metrics, which actually are generated from the logs that we get. So for instance, for Bybit, we generate a number of metrics that then are utilized in the dashboards. Yeah, here are the metrics for this particular, this Bybit USDT key line read metric. and this is the visualization that we see in the dashboard. That's pretty much it. Thank you. Thanks for watching.